Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening we're in Paphos. We're having a little walk back towards our hotel. Do you know what, guys? I forgot what it's called. Can a reminder from the crew?
Maybe.
She's forgot. Anyway. Amphora, there we are. Lucky we know where we're staying, eh guys? Anyway, let me show you the sunset. Just turn around, that beautiful, lovely sunset. And we're going to walk along the streets. We've done a little walk earlier on this afternoon along the coastal path down here, and we videoed that, of course, and we're going to walk back along the street, see what's going on. Oh, there's ice cream, by the way. Oh, did you spot that? Small €3.90. Oh no, that's bubble tea. Ice cream from €2. You could have had a waffle, couldn't we, for brunch? Oh, never mind. Here we are. Right, there we are. There's tea for two across the road. Established in 1991, it says. Here comes the 611. So, lots and lots of places to eat and enjoy a slow beer down at the harbour. That's the Dionysus Hotel, and as we approached Paphos this morning, we did do a little video there, so look out for the video. Very good location, by the way. It was a nice little hotel, beautiful reception area. Did like it in there. Very cosy. That's the word for that hotel, guys, cosy. Right, let's carry on down, work off our brunch, and then we can get ready for dinner tonight, can't we? Got some nice gardens, nice bushes round here. Look at that. Yeah. What's that doing there?
It's the moon.
That's the moon.
It goes like that, doesn't it? That one's going down.
Oh, it's coming up, is it?
Yeah.
Has it got lost though?
Why has it got lost?
Well, because it's daytime now and the moon's up there.
Get away from it.
The moon's got lost. It's a bit of a hiccuppity. It's in a bit of a kerfuffle. The moon's in a kerfuffle. Yes, that Royal Lounge Bar Bistro, whatever you want to call it, does look very nice up there. Part of the Dionysus Hotel, open to everyone. These shops look quite new, but I think they've refurbished. Oh, what's this? Imperial Chinese restaurant up the top. And down here is something else. Oh, a little beauty place. Look at that. Sweet and sour pork's $12.50. Starters $13.50. Sweet and sour chicken $12.50. Here we are, Imperial Chinese restaurant. That's up there, you see, up on that terrace there. I think this is a brand new building. Looks very new. The pavement's quite new as well. Look. Oh yeah. Paphos is looking very posh, isn't it? We've got new posts, stainless steel posts, new pavements along here. A lot of the restaurants and shops have been refurbished. There's the Annabelle, look out for the video. Andrew's Petra Bazaar's favourite hotel. And Jenny and Jack were staying here, so we did meet them in Paphos and we dropped them off just at the hotel. Oh, by the way, Look out for loads of archaeological sites here in Paphos. They're scattered everywhere. And look at this one in the car park. Look, there's a tomb down there. Can you see it? In fact, there's a tomb over here. So look out for that, guys. They're very, very interesting. You can take the steps down to this one and have a look around if you like. Just down the slope, well, down the fancy slope really. So the refurbishment carries on down. We can see new pavements, and look at those plants there, that lovely bedding. The Nest Cafe shop. Oh, they're quite modern, aren't they? Look at that. Do you know what they remind me of? Those apartments up there, South End. Ah, there's the sea. So you can scoot down that slope and go to the coastal path. But we've done that, guys. Look out for videos. We're taking the high road.
I actually have
Another new area just across the road. In fact, I did see a chap painting the new sort of whatever it is at the top this morning, and it looks like we've got new fountains and conveniently located benches going in. Can you see? So this whole area is brand new. Look at that. That does look spectacular. I think that's going to be really nice when the fountains are working. There we are. No, we've never walked along here, guys. We've actually driven quite a few times along here, but we've never walked along here. Mind the stainless steel posts. There we are, the Amira Hotel entrance. Wow, the size of those olive trees. I wonder if they've gathered the olives from them. Or maybe they don't produce olives. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. You see any olives on it? No.
Oh yes.
Where? Oh, there is an olive there and a few, yeah, so it looks like they have collected the olives there, guys. We have gathered all the olives from our garden. We managed to get 30 kilos of olives, took them to the press. We've got 5 litres of pure olive oil. We're going to auction it off by the litre, and all the proceeds will go to Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary. Look out for Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary fund page on Facebook, and you too could bid on that delish olive oil. There's some more shops up there, look. Gift shops. What's that over there? That's Taverna. Travel agents, developers, lots and lots of construction going on. There's the buses. Now don't forget, guys, if you don't hire a car, there's always buses, loads and loads of buses. That is the 612 that's going to the airport. There it is, 612 to the airport. Well, that's an economical way to get to the airport. Look at those fancy flats at the top. Oh no, we have to call them apartments because they're posh. Look, do you like them? I like them, they're nice. What's it called? Dominica Group Waterside Apartments, but not quite waterside. Oh, maybe it's waterside because they've got a shared swimming pool at the front. So that's waterside, isn't it? They are nice though. There we are. Be nice as a retirement apartment, especially if it's got a lift. Here comes the 611. Tomb of the Kings via harbour. Oh wow, look at that sunset. Might be able to get a better glimpse here. One minute, let's go down here, look. Look at that. That's amazing. Right, let's carry on down. There's a pub over there called 2 Pints and a Half. Lots of car hire available. And again guys, let me remind you that this resort is open all year round. But the swimming pools are very, very cold in the winter. Apart from the indoor heated pools, and talk about heated indoor pools, here comes the Alexander the Great Hotel, and that's got a heated indoor pool. Of course the sea can be a little bit chilly, but definitely doable. It's about 90 degrees in the sea, so very refreshing, really nice to swim in the sea this time of the year. There it is, the Alexander the Great refurbed hotel. It's really nice. I think that's new over there, or it's been refurbished. It's like a retail complex. Oh, there he is, Alexander the Great. He's on his horse and a sword. Here we go. There we go. We've got nice new gardens. That's a brand new apartment block as well. Very impressive. The Soho. And I think they're building a very similar one next door. There's a big crane there. Let's go past this hotel here, the Amavi Hotel. Now look out for the videos guys, we did stay there for Valentine's Day. Lovely hotel. Oh, what's across the road? Oh, coffee shops and stuff. What's that building? Oh, it's just a house, a modern house. Oh, look at that hotel. All the windows and doors have been taken off it. It's going to be refurbished. Look, it's called Alo Hotel or Ali Hotel. A-L-O-E. Part of the sign's been destroyed. Look at that. Wow. What's that going to be? That could be part of the Soho complex. See? I think that's what that's going to be. Yeah, look, all the windows and doors are gone. Interiors have been ripped out. Now, I wonder if they're going to fix it or they're going to knock it down. I think they're going to fix it up. There it is. Hello, hotel. Hello, hello, hello. Hotel. Here comes another 611. Didn't know about this. Public car park, look. That is a stunning block of flats.
Apartments.
Oh, sorry, apartments. Ooh, nearly got in trouble, didn't I? Now that's a public car park, brand new. And then we've got that brand new restaurant there overlooking the sea. And then I think this is now a vacant plot taken by the Soho Property Sales Office. Look, I think they're all going to be luxury apartments, a whole lot. That's luxury apartments, and same as next door. Oh, there we are. And then on the front, right, I'm going to guess here, just here, they're going to build low-level shops. So you've got a nice view from the luxury apartments just over there, you see. So this group have taken this plot of land, so you don't build anything tall here, and then you've got these amazing views from those luxury apartments.
Now, what I think it's going to be.
What do you think it's going to be?
Luxury houses.
Could be luxury houses. Yep, that's a possibility, because you don't have to build them too high. So yep, luxury housing could go there. But I think it's going to be shops for the apartments. Amafora Hotel and Suites coming up. There we are. It looks like the Amafora Hotel and Suites are going to extend. Looks like they're going to extend, guys. Get bigger. Wow, it's vast. See, that's what it's going to look like. There. No, that's somewhere else. Ignore that, guys. Just being a silly Billy. There's pictures of Paphos Old Town. Now it becomes one way, so you have to go up there past those shops and bars and restaurants. So here we are, back at the Amafora Hotel. Hope you enjoyed that little walk down the main road. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.